By integrating AI directly into Microsoft Word, Excel, and Windows, Microsoft is redefining productivity and user interaction. Copilot is designed not to replace human effort, but to enhance it by reducing friction, saving time, and supporting smarter decision-making. Understanding Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant built on advanced language models capable of understanding natural language, context, and intent. Unlike traditional software features that rely on fixed commands and menus, Copilot allows users to communicate in plain language. Whether you are writing a document, working with data, or navigating your operating system, Copilot responds to instructions conversationally and intuitively. What makes Copilot especially powerful is its deep integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. It connects with files, emails, calendars, spreadsheets, and system settings, enabling it to provide assistance that is context-aware rather than generic. This means Copilot understands not just what you ask, but what you are currently working on. Transforming the writing experience in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has long been the standard tool for writing documents, but Copilot significantly expands its capabilities. One of the most impactful features is AI-assisted drafting. Users can describe the topic, purpose, or tone of a document, and Copilot can generate a complete draft or structured outline in seconds. This is particularly useful for reports, articles, proposals, and business communication. Beyond drafting, Copilot helps refine and improve existing text. It can rewrite paragraphs to make them clearer, more concise, or more formal, depending on the user's needs. This allows writers to focus on ideas rather than struggling with wording. Copilot can also summarize long documents, making it easier to review reports or understand complex content quickly. Another important advantage is contextual awareness. Copilot does not work in isolation. It analyzes the content already present in the document. As a result, its suggestions are aligned with the overall theme, tone, and structure, making the output feel more natural and relevant. Smarter data. Handling with Copilot in Excel. Excel is a powerful tool, but many users find it intimidating due to its complex formulas and functions. Copilot helps bridge this gap by allowing users to interact with data using natural language. Instead of manually writing formulas, users can ask Copilot to analyze data, calculate results, or explain trends in simple terms. Copilot can identify patterns, highlight anomalies, and provide insights that might otherwise require advanced analytical skills. This is especially valuable for business professionals, analysts, and students who need a quick understanding without spending hours on manual calculations. Copilot also assists in creating formulas, explaining how they work, and fixing errors, making Excel more accessible to users of all skill levels. In addition, Copilot can suggest charts and visualizations that best represent the data. This helps users present information more effectively, turning raw numbers into clear and meaningful visuals. AI assistance built into Windows. Microsoft Copilot extends beyond individual applications and is integrated directly into Windows. This system-level integration allows users to interact with their operating system more naturally and conversationally. Instead of navigating through multiple menus, users can ask Copilot to find files, change settings, or explain how to perform specific tasks. Windows Copilot also supports multitasking and workflow management. It can help create new documents, organize files, and summarize notifications or activities across applications. By acting as a central AI assistant, Copilot makes Windows more responsive and easier to use, especially for users who are less familiar with technical settings. The technology powering Microsoft Copilot. Behind Microsoft Copilot is a combination of generative AI, cloud computing, and Microsoft's data infrastructure. Copilot uses large language models to interpret user input and generate responses that are relevant and useful. It also connects with Microsoft Graph, which organizes user data such as documents, emails, and calendars, allowing Copilot to deliver personalized assistance. Security and privacy are key considerations in Copilot's design. Microsoft emphasizes responsible AI usage, ensuring that user data is protected and that AI-generated content remains transparent and controllable. Copilot operates as a support tool, with users retaining full control over their work. Productivity benefits and practical impact. The real value of Microsoft Copilot lies in its ability to reduce repetitive tasks and mental load. By automating drafting, summarizing, data analysis, and system navigation, Copilot frees users to focus on creative thinking, strategy, and problem solving. It acts as a productivity partner rather than a replacement for human intelligence. In professional environments, Copilot can save significant time by streamlining routine work. For students, it offers support in writing, studying, and data handling. For everyday users, it simplifies computing tasks and makes technology more approachable. The future of work. With Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot represents a major evolution in how people interact with software. By embedding AI directly into Word, Excel, and Windows, Microsoft is moving toward a future where productivity tools are intelligent, adaptive, and user-centric. Copilot enhances writing, simplifies data analysis, and transforms system navigation into a conversational experience. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, Microsoft Copilot is likely to become an essential part of daily digital work. Rather than replacing human skills, it amplifies them, helping users work faster, smarter, and with greater confidence in an increasingly AI-driven world. Microsoft Copilot is more than just a new feature. It's a glimpse into the future of how we work with technology. By bringing AI directly into Word, Excel, and Windows, Microsoft is making everyday tasks faster, smarter, and more intuitive. As AI continues to evolve, tools like Copilot will play a key role in shaping productivity and creativity. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know how you think AI will change the way we work in the coming years.